doing? I am recording. Beginner mode. And move aircraft or calibrate. Wonder why I got a calibration problem. I'm definitely going to have to figure out how to do that. Okay. Let's see. Channel. Battery. Temperature 60 Celsius. Status there. Card format. Card format. Huh. Okay, it's still going, so VF. Okay, let's try this real quick and see where we go. Forward obstacle sensing not working. What? Better get it on. Why is it not working? Ambient light. Too low to work. Oh, terrific. So it tells you when you don't have enough. Wow. Okay. So basically, you get to a certain darkness, you don't have enough to even get your obstacle avoidance to work. So, alright, gimbal forward, down, print, portrait landscape. Alright, well, I don't like that point. I thought I was going to get this off the ground, but it's definitely pretty cold. Compass error, move aircraft, or calibrate the compass. Well, shoot. I got two issues right now, and one is the compass, and the other is the fact that the light is not enough to use your obstacle avoidance. So I don't know what's going to happen when I take off here. Okay. Ensure it is safe to take off. Aircraft will rise to 3.5 and precision record of takeoff. There she goes. Well, isn't that cool? Go. Definitely a little on. Flight and GPS. Really quiet. Right. It's little less responsive, I see, than my nice and quiet though. Oh, very nice. Oh, there you go. Again, it says forward sensing and is not working. Ambient light has a lot to do with that. And I've got a compass issue. But other than that, there it was. It was my maiden voyage. Not much of, but good enough to definitely. So I finally got it off the ground, and then didn't crash it. She can go to sleep. All right. Yeah, it's getting freaking cold out here too. All right. So hopefully I got all that on video. Very good. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. And definitely click on the little DC at the corner down there and subscribe. And you'll catch me on the next altitude.